Hi there. Welcome to Abundance Academy. Have you ever felt like you weren't as lucky as some of the other people around you? We've all experienced times where we wished we had just an extra bit of luck, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can create your own luck. Today, I'm going to discuss what Lucky Girl Syndrome is and how you can use it to become unbelievably lucky and create your dream life. Now let me explain what is Lucky Girl Syndrome. Lucky Girl Syndrome, or LGS, is a term coined by author and motivational speaker, Jessica Abio. She describes it as the ability to manifest the life you want, no matter where you come from. It's the idea that no matter what your circumstances are, you can create your own luck and manifest your dream life. 1. Set your intention. What do you want to manifest? Start by being clear and setting an intention for what you want to create. Visualize it and write it down if possible. Have you ever wanted to manifest something, but weren't sure how to begin? Setting an intention can be the first step in making your dreams come true. By clearly visualizing and writing down what you want to create, you can take the necessary steps towards achieving it. With determination and focus, anything is possible. 2. Start taking action. Now that you have your intention set, start taking small steps towards getting there. Believe in yourself and keep going. Taking action is the key to achieving your goals and dreams. It takes courage and determination, but it's worth the effort. Start by setting your intention and then taking small steps towards that goal. Believe in yourself, stay focused and keep going. You can achieve anything if you set your mind to it. 3. Stay positive. No matter the obstacles that come your way, stay positive. Keep a gratitude journal and be thankful for the things that are going right in your life. In the chaotic world we live in, it's easy to lose sight of the positive things that can come out of any situation. That's why it is important to stay positive and keep a gratitude journal. By writing down what you're thankful for, you can focus on the good and be inspired by how far you have come. No matter what obstacles come your way, stay positive and remember that everything will work out in the end. 4. Find your support system. It's important to have a support system of family, friends, or even a mentor to support you on your journey. Reach out to people who can help you stay motivated on your way to achieving your dreams. Your support system is your biggest asset in achieving your goals and dreams. Surround yourself with family, friends, mentors, or anyone that can provide encouragement and motivation on your journey. Having a support system in place will give you the extra boost of confidence to push through challenging times and stay focused on reaching your goals. Conclusion: remember, you can create your own luck. Lucky Girl Syndrome is the ability to manifest the life that she dreams. We all have experienced moments where we felt that the universe brought us something special. Lucky Girl Syndrome is the belief that we can create our own luck through positive thinking and action. With a combination of mental resilience and the right attitude, it's possible to make your own luck. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button below and share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can receive more useful information and the latest videos on this topic. If you have any questions about this topic or would like to provide other suggestions, please leave a comment in the section below. Once again, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.